Hi guys, VST here, OnePlus Tech. First view of the OnePlus Health, and I have to thank here to my man Vivek Shaundari, VST, who provided me the APK, right? So it's very new, it's brand new. I don't think even that the OnePlus Band yet has been released, but we can have already a sneak preview from using the official OnePlus Health application. Now please note that this app is not going to be available in all the countries, right? So I just got the APK, I'm going to install it on my phone. I'm very eager to see and test this because Vivek, my man, was telling me that he, like me, has been using the Mi Feed and how this app is having really a better interface. So I said, oh okay, I mean, yeah, you definitely draw my attention. Alright, so okay, let's open it for the first time. OnePlus Health. OnePlus Health statement greeting us directly. Personal fitness application that records and analyzes your workouts, some standard data, and etc, using Bluetooth and etc, blah blah. I think all the standard stuff, disclaimers that companies of course are doing when they are providing you with some smart accessories. And now let's hit agree. And okay, I'm gonna choose an account. By the way, I have an OnePlus account, so I'm just going to enter inside with my account. Okay, choosing my account. Okay, and now for the very first time in my hands. Alright, so let me just choose something here, random. Okay, I'm a male. Okay, let's choose some things. Again, it's just random, guys, because I don't have the real device, but I'm so eager to see the interface. 1 step a day, 0 calories, OnePlus Health. Allow OnePlus Health to access your physical activity. Okay, allow it. And I have to say, Vivek, if you're watching this video, I think you are right. This really has a nice interface to that. A very big indication on the steps here, on the kilometers that you did, and also the kilocalories you burned and percentage. Daily activity, we have the heart rate, we have sleep, we have SpO2, so apparently the band is also going to be measuring your blood oxygen, which is kind of hot today. Workout logs, this is here what we can see on the Health app. Then we have here fitness. If we go to fitness, apparently you can start tracking with your phone, so we can hit here start. Okay, we need to of course give some permission, so let's just give permission physical activity and also the location. Going back into the Health app, start tracking. Okay,
2, 1.
Okay.
Go.
Okay. We also heard the voice of the OnePlus Health, I think for the first time, at least here on my channel. Kind of looks familiar.
Paused.
Okay, pause. Okay, let's go back. Let's kill the walking. What is this here? It's the satellite, the GPS. Alright. Touch and hold the end. Okay, I want to end it. I would say very intuitive interface, what we can see here. And then last but not least, we have the manage part. I guess this is where the magic happens. When you have this on your hand, just go here, add. Alright, of course there is nothing for me to add here, right? Nothing really. Usually when using stuff like this, for example, the Huawei Health application is giving you already some nice images because they have so many smart accessories like bands and watches and etc. Here it's not the case. Okay, you have the personal profile, the sex again, the date of birth, the height, the weight, etc, the country, user agreement, privacy statement. You have the version of that. Now let's go back, guys, to the Health, because here this is really like the main dashboard. Daily activity. Record your daily activity in real time and track your daily goals. Okay, it presents you with a calendar. You can apparently go, okay, very fancy colors, by the way. Close it. What happens here? Set goals about stats. Okay, wow. Okay, it gives you some information. Okay, what is your step counting, your workout time, the calories, the activity sessions, the distance and floors climbed, data sources. And I guess you're gonna get all this coloring once you have the real thing here, and then you can just see this for every and each day. You can go back in time and see this based on the activities that you perform. So this is why it's called the activity calendar. Heart rate. Again, the same information. We have a day, a week, a month, a year. When you click here, information. You know, this is one thing I like, and I saw this for the first time in the Huawei Health. They really are giving you very useful information for the sleep tracking. What are the REM cycles and etc, for the heart rates and etc, so that you can really learn some things, right? Because it's really important. Everything related to your health is important, and those smart devices are actually meant to serve you better, so you can just track some things and optimize other, right? Heart rate tracking, okay, resting, 24-hour heart rate diagram. So apparently 24-hour rate diagram displays your heart rates measured through the day. A large volume of raw data will be collected from your wearable device. Okay, that's not so bad. It doesn't really say that you will have like ECG or something like this, but at least it has some fancy stuff. Data sources, okay, so heart rate tracking. Okay, then you have the resting and a 24-hour heart rate diagram. Closing that one, okay, week, month, year. You can see some aggregate values here, not so bad. Sleep, let's see what they have into the sleep. We click here sleep. Again, day, week, month. Honestly, I have to agree that it does look a bit better than Xiaomi's Mi Fit. I use it so much and they keep redesigning it, but this is really very simple design. I kind of like that one. Sleep assessment, like I told you, very important. So if you click here on this eye, can you see something now? Oh, you can. Very nice OnePlus. Deep sleep, they explain to you guys what is deep sleep, what is light sleep, what is awake time, how they measure it, recommended sleep duration, and data source, of course. So we have here also the sleep stages, so the total sleep time. Let's say you slept 10 hours, and how much of this was like deep sleep, how much of this was light sleep, then single longest sleep, the interruptions, the bedtime, the wake-up times. All of this is really good, and I'm pretty happy that OnePlus finally are going to offer devices like that. SpO2, very hot today, like I told you. Blood oxygen, very important, specifically in the light of the COVID, you know. Manual measurements, okay, can apparently manual measure week, month, year. When we hit the information here, okay, this is what I wanted to also have in the other sections, like some coloring, so that you can see red, amber, green. What is SpO2? It measures the percentage of oxygenated hemoglobin, HbO2, compared to the total amount of hemoglobin in the blood. How much of this is normal? More than 90% is normal. 80 to 89, mild, moderate, etc. How does it measure? Which users need to pay special attention to SpO2 readings? Very nice and useful information included here. Last but not least, we have also the workout logs, where a lot of the magic will happen when you have the device and you exercise with this. Again, guys, this was really the first view of the OnePlus Health App. Again, thank you, Vivek. Thank you for sending this APK to me. And yeah, guys, what can I say? I wish you all to be safe, and we're gonna catch up in my next video. If you like content I'm doing, you might want to consider subscribing for my channel, and we're going to catch up again in the next video. VST over and bye.